In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Microsoft PowerPoint themes. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find high-quality official themes and how to add them to your presentation so your slides look polished and consistent. Let's start inside PowerPoint. Open Microsoft PowerPoint and head to the Design tab along the top ribbon. This is where all the visual styling lives. In the Themes group, you'll see a row of thumbnails. To reveal everything available, click the More button, the small down arrow at the right end of that row. A larger gallery opens so you can see more options at once. If you already have a theme file saved on your computer, you can add it from here. Select Browse for Themes, which opens a file picker window. Navigate to the folder where your theme is stored, often your Downloads folder, and choose the theme file, typically with the .tsmx extension. Once you select it, PowerPoint applies the theme to your current presentation, updating slide backgrounds, fonts, and color schemes in one go. Now, if you don't have a theme yet and want to download new ones, use Microsoft's official library to ensure quality and compatibility. Open your web browser and visit templates.office.com. This site hosts free official PowerPoint themes and templates. You can search by style or topic and preview the design before downloading. When you find a design you like, click to download it. Most downloadable themes will come as a .tmx file, which is the standard PowerPoint theme format. It's lightweight, doesn't require extra installation, and is safe to use with PowerPoint. After the download finishes, switch back to PowerPoint. Return to the Design tab. Click the More button in the Themes group, and again choose Browse for Themes. Locate the .tmx file you just downloaded and select it. Your presentation will immediately adopt the new look, so you can see how titles, body text, and background elements align with the theme's style. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. Keep your downloaded themes in a dedicated folder so they're easy to find later. If your presentation uses specific branding, double-check that the theme's colors and fonts align with your standards. Also, make sure the theme suits your slide content. Clean layouts with strong contrast help charts and text remain legible. Finally, stick to themes from trusted sources like Microsoft's site to avoid compatibility issues. That's it. You've opened PowerPoint, explored the Design tab, browsed for a theme on your PC, and downloaded new themes from the official Microsoft site to use in your presentations.